start. Making the above submissions and relying on the aforesaid decisions of this court, it is prayed to allow the present appeal and quash and set aside the impugned judgment and order passed by the High Court. Stop. The present appeal is vehemently opposed by Shri Shekhar Nafade, learned senior advocate, appearing on behalf of the original writ petitioners, respondents number 1 to 10, herein stop. It is vehemently submitted by Shri Shekhar Nafade, learned senior advocate, appearing on behalf of the original writ petitioners, that in the facts and circumstances of the case, and considering the fact that the original writ petitioners are charitable education institutions, the High Court has rightly held that they are exempted from payment of electricity duty. Stop para. It is submitted that if the interpretation canvassed by the state is accepted, then it will lead to absurdity and manifest injustice, as school or colleges etc. run by the local authority will fall within the purview of section 3 within bracket 2 within bracket 3 of 2016 Act, while those run by the statutory university or charitable institution registered under Bombay Trusts Act 1950 bracket now known as Maharashtra Public Trusts Act 1950 bracket close, would fall outside the ambit of section 3 within bracket 2 within bracket 3 stop. It is submitted that as such there is no essential difference between schools oblique colleges etc. run by the statutory university or institution registered under the Maharashtra Public Trusts Act 1950 and those run by the local authority. Stop. It is submitted that such absurdity or injustice cannot be the intention of the legislature. Stop para. It is further submitted by Shri Nafade, learned senior advocate, appearing on behalf of the original writ petitioners, that there is always a presumption that the legislature does not intend to violate Article 14 of the Constitution of India. Stop. It is submitted that as per the case on behalf of the state, section 3 within bracket 2 within bracket 3 of 2016 Act covers only schools oblique colleges etc. of the local authority, and those run by the statutory university or by private institutions are outside the scope of section 3 within bracket 2 within bracket 3 of 2016 Act. Stop. It is submitted that this would lead to discrimination and arbitrariness. Stop. It is submitted that who runs the educational institution cannot be the intelligible differentia for the purpose of classification. Stop. It is submitted that if such an interpretation is accepted, then section 3 within bracket 2 within bracket 3 would be ultra vires article 14 of the constitution. Stop para. It is submitted that therefore if that be so, then why the legislature would depart from its earlier policy in respect of educational activities, as promotion of education is in public interest. Stop. It is submitted that if the commercial activities are not subject to imposition of duty, then it would be unreasonable on the part of the legislature to impose duty or non-commercial activity of imparting education stop.